Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will work on our JoJo game right here. And as you can remember, in the last episode we have finally finished all of the body parts. We will need to create our star platinum. And the thing is that we now have to import everything, okay? And I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you how you can import those things you have exported hopefully in the last episode. And then I'm probably gonna end the video because I don't want to, make this video too long. Okay, so first thing you will need to do is that you have to select the workspace, right click, insert object, and then select a mesh part, okay? So we will need to work with mesh parts, okay? So since we have exported some stuff from Blender, we have to re-import them via this mesh part. Means we have to click on the mesh part, and then you need to make sure that your properties tab right here is enabled. And if that's the case, then head over to mesh ID and then click on this folder icon, and then you can move on and you can import your stuff, okay? And you only, well, not only, but you have to import everything you have exported in the last episode, okay? So that's something which I'm going to do now, okay? So I'm gonna mute myself. You guys are going to see how I'm exporting everything, and then I'll be back once everything is exported. So one short thing, make sure that this double-sided thing is enabled, okay? So also make sure that this is the case for, all of the other parts right here, okay? All right.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. right, boy.
Alright, so those are all of the parts which we, have created inside of Blender. Now, let's use this dummy as Star Platinum, okay? And we are now going to move all of these parts. Well, let's first of all actually give them names, okay? So let's call this one hair. Let's call this one headband. And let's actually put this one inside of this one. And let's call this one gem, okay? And we could even put the headband inside of the hair, since they, belong to each other. And let me give this a black color. Let me select smooth plastic. So what was the color of the headband again? Let me just quickly look it up. Okay. So it was something like this. Now let's make the gem look like this, maybe. This will work. Okay. Now, next thing. Okay, so this was a leg protection. So, leg protection. And we have to put this circle inside of this leg protection as well, because they, belong to each other. So, let's move this in front. And I have to take a look at, Star Platinum again, so you can see how it actually looks like, because, well... Come on, where is it? Alright, so this one is actually golden, so this main part, let's say. Okay, and this one is, well, a little bit gray and bluish. So let's select this one. Okay, so let's do it like this. Let's move it a little bit more to the right, maybe. Okay, so what is the next part? Oh yeah, so this was the fist, the left hand. Left fist, so this is probably black, yeah. Okay, black. Smooth plastic. So those are those parts on the fist. Let's make them this kind of bluish. Let's move them a little bit more inside of the fist. Okay. Okay, so this is, or those are the parts of our other fist. Was it this color? I don't know. Fuck, yeah, okay. Lower torso, wait. So this is our right fist. Let's move this inside of our right fist. So what about those other parts? So what is this one? Okay, so this is our arm protection. And this plate right here belongs to it. So this is fog as well. So the color, of course. Okay, let's select this. Let's make this black. Yeah, so let's move plastic. There we go. So we are closely approaching to, our Star Platinum. Now, this is supposed to be the band. No, not the band, but I don't know how you want to call this. So, this is towel, which covers up the area in between Star Platinum's legs. Okay. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So those are the plates. Left shoulder, so let's call it this way. Okay. So this one is golden, while the other one has this fog color. Okay. Now same goes for this one. So right shoulder. This one has a fog color as well. Okay, so this is the scarf. What kind of color does this thing have? Okay, purple. Now what is this? Oh yeah, the shoes. So shoe 1 and shoe 2, okay? Both of them are black and they have smooth plastic as a material. Okay, and this is it for today's video, guys. So in the next episode, we are going to attach this onto our Star Platinum, and we are going to finish the Star Platinum model, hopefully, so that we can actually work on the moves, okay? So we are now getting to the more interesting part of this whole series, guys. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video with all of your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next episode.